I'm going to show you how I made this Kubb set. I started off with a cedar 4x4, and this cedar was pretty rough, so I sent it through the planer just to smooth out all the sides. I used my miter saw to chop up all the pieces. The king needs to be 12 inches tall. I used the table saw to cut the 4x4 down to 2 3/4 inch thick for the pawn pieces. The pawns need to be 6 inches tall, so I cut them up on the miter saw. And you need 10 of these, 5 for each side of the game.
So there is my king, 12 inches, and there are my 10 pawns that are 6 inches. This is about 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. These are 2 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches.
Here I'm cutting a decorative groove in the king. It's about 4 inches from the top. To make the top of the king, you do similar cuts with a 45-degree angle blade. Here's what it looks like when it's all done. To decorate the pawns, you do a cut every 2 inches. This divides it into 3 equal parts. Everything gets sanded down. I used 2 different colored wood stain on these. I used blue for the tops and red for the bottoms. That way you can flip them depending on what side you're on. Here they are, all finished being stained, and I'm letting them set overnight to dry before putting some finish on them. I brushed polyacrylic on all of them. Now for the batons, you need some dowels that are about 12 inches long. I'm using some old deck railing that I had laying around, and I'm also making 4 spikes for the border of the game. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.